back, I'm back. Yesterday was such an emotional day in Judge Rata's court as Senzo Meyiwa's mother and aunt walked in with a legal representation, from AfriForum. I liked that she was very confident in her legal representative. She was asked a lot of questions before she went into court in regards to how she feels about the current accused that's on the stand, who happens to be the same person that is accused of pulling the trigger and ultimately injuring Senzo to a point of dying. Senzo's mother said, "I am confident in my legal representative, Ogerinel." Guys, we all know what Ogerinel thinks about the state case. If you don't know, I will tell you. Ogerinel believes in the state's case. He believes they have a very strong case. He believes the 5 accused are the correct people that should be prosecuted for the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. He does, however, differ with the strategy that has been followed by Advocate Baloyi, in the sense that he would have had accused number 6 as the mastermind seated next to the 5 accused. That is how he differs with the state. Otherwise, very happy with how the state has conducted themselves. The state also got to meet Senzo's mother before they started the court proceedings yesterday. So once they started, Mr. Munisi, however, missed that meeting between the state and Senzo's family, and he requested that the court acknowledges the deceased's parents, which of course Judge Rata did. He acknowledged the family and he said that this is just in the spirit of Ubuntu. You will not see this happen in any other court, and he also offered his condolences. Mr. Munisi then proceeded with his cross-examination of accused number 3, and it was so difficult to watch because yesterday Mr. Munisi was referring to the people that Senzo's mother has voiced her opinion about, specifically Kelly Khumalo's mother. Senzo's mother has said that Kelly's mother knows the truth and she won't come forward with the truth. So we all know that the statement that was deposed by Kelly's mother and the person that was pointed by Kelly's mother as the person responsible for killing Senzo is not the correct person. That person was arrested and later acquitted of all the charges because Kelly's mother and Longwe lied to the police. Now, yesterday when Mr. Munisi was taking accused number 3 through the evidence of Kelly's mother and Longwe, it felt like a salt in the wound because we all know these people tried to corrupt this case. They tried to hide the truth from the police. There were policemen that assisted them in trying to do this. We all know this. So for Mr. Munisi to rely on that information while Senzo's mother was there, knowing very well how Senzo's mother feels about Kelly's mother, it felt a bit insensitive. We are hoping that Senzo's family will come back when this accused gets cross-examined, because right now, as things stand, accused number 3 still has not assisted us in understanding where he was on the day. Yes, he says he's taking his time and he will get there, but the fact of the matter is we are now on day 4 today of him being on the stand, and we still don't know where he was. We still don't know what his defense is. Mr. Munisi has not gotten to that part. Instead, he's been cross-examined with witnesses that were not caught because the state believes those witnesses were part of ensuring that Senzo died on that day. Now Mr. Munisi is relying on that information to state or to prove his client's innocence. He is relying on the investigation of corrupt policemen. Accused number 3 keeps saying that it is quite clear that they knew who they were looking for, which was a dark, short person with big eyes who was wearing khaki on the day. Obviously, those people were trying to deceive the police, and the police were also working with those people. Hence why this case has taken so long to be resolved. But we are not stupid. Brigadier Keninda came, he investigated this case to the core, and he gave us evidence that can be used to prosecute accused number 3, which he is not answering to, which he is ducking and diving. He is not there. Yeah? We are coming. Cross-examination, you will be faced with these facts. You will have to answer. The state will make you answer. You will account. Accused number 3. We are coming for you, Ngwanakogai. In the meantime, tshwara fela jwalo. Tshwara fela jwalo re a jiga. Ska peinela Ngwanakogai. We know it's frustrating what Mr. Minisi and accused number 3 are doing, but what can you say? People must fight. They must put up a fight. They must do something. They can't just act like they're deaf. They can't act like they're sick. They must put up a fight, and they're putting up a fight, even though it's not the best fight, but they're putting up a fight. So let's see what actually happens today. We are waiting curiously for the cross-examination of accused number 3.